Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix not charging problem in your OPPO smartphone. So let's fix it. So friends, you can see here I have this type C charging pin. Let's put it in this. So you can see it is not charging here when I have just put it. So it is sometimes because of the broken part. So if friends your type C port here it is broken or some dust inside this port, it will not charge, or sometimes your lead is not working, or it is broken from inside, or adapter is not working. So these are the problems that will cause it will not charge your smartphone. So first you have to check if your adapter is working with you have to connect with and charge with another device. If it is charging, then your device has the problem, or you can check your device port if it is working or not. Then friends, if you are charging your phone and while playing game, so it will definitely damage your battery and heat your device also. It also cause long term issues in the battery, or it also causes battery drain quick and very fast. So you have to avoid these things and just do a software reset. If you do not have it, just go for software reset and restart your device again, and then this problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.